Hey guys, this is Gaurav Das, placement professor, and today I am with Mr. Deep. Deep is one of my student of coaching program, and recently he has achieved a job offer, and we will discuss more about that offer from the Deep itself. So Deep, first of all, congratulations for your success.
Thank you, sir.
And so Deep, I would like to know which kind of profile you will handle in your first job.
Sir, I will be joining as mechanical design engineer in the structure stream of the company.
Okay. And as you informed that for the first 3 months you will get a paid internship, and after the paid internship you will join full time in the company, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you will join full time, so what package you will get?
After joining full time, I will get 2.4.
Amazing. So as a fresher and belonging from the core domain, okay, and achieving the 2.4 lakh package is, I think, it is the best in the market. In the program, in the course, you have learned many job search strategies, many techniques. Okay. So what do you think about that? How it works for you?
Sir, the job search technique work well for me. Means uh, the first technique in which we have to make the list of the potential recruiters. While I'm making the list, I find some 50 companies. I connect to their recruiters, and while connecting them, I find in one company our college alumni work. So I contacted them and asked for them to reference, and
Okay,
that's how this job got me.
okay, and that leads to you this offer, right? Amazing.
Yes, sir.
And after that, in the program, you have also learned how to use LinkedIn and how to implement strategies on LinkedIn. So, what is your how it helps?
So before the program, my LinkedIn profile is like any other social media profile.
Okay.
I use it to just like the pictures and watch the videos. But after joining the course, I learn more about LinkedIn and know what LinkedIn's real power is. I structured my LinkedIn profile as in the LinkedIn Mastery course, and after that I got many views. I connect to many recruiters.
And along with that, you have also learned how to create an advanced resume. Okay. So, you had one resume before joining the program, and after joining the course, after joining the program, after learning the concepts on resume writing, you have created your advanced resume, right? So, what difference do you see in your previous and after resume?
Uh, my previous resume is just one page resume with basic things like education, and I add the skill just means I know, not the company is required, and just project name, not the details, what the key learnings are, and certification achievement just in one line, not some more details. And after the resume writing course, I created a professional resume with the professional format provided in the resume writing course, and that resume shows my achievements, my projects, my education in structured way, and I think that uh, helped me a lot. And also the resume is, I think it's best for me.
And so, how many total interviews you have received before this job offer in total?
8.
Eight. Wow, super, super. So, in the program, you have learned a step by step answers how to deal with the challenging questions, right? How to handle the questions, how to what answers to give in the program. So, what do you think? How that questions, that strategies help you to crack them?
In the interview course, there are many questions given, like tell me something about yourself, strength and weakness. I studied that question, watched the video. In that video, I got knowledge about how to say and what to say in that question, and what is your turn, and from where you should do the job question answer research. I done all that before every interview I done, and I done that on regular basis, which gives me
Okay.
softness in the speech and uh, give me fluency for the questions, and also increase my confidence.
Okay. Okay. So Deep, my next question is from the entire program, what is your top three learning?
Sir, my first learning is the strategic thinking. Means I learned that job search is like a game. We have to win it, and for winning, we have to think strategically.
Okay.
That is my key learning. After that, I learned that look every time for opportunity, everywhere, every time opportunity. And third learning is create your means profile tools, job search tools before searching the job.
Right, right. Most of the job seekers fail in this, in this third point. They start the job searching, but their job search tools are not that sharp, and that's why they get late results. So my next question, Deep, will be: would you like to recommend my program to other job seekers and why?
Yes, sir. I will definitely recommend the program to other job seekers, my juniors in college, my classmates, uh, because, sir, the success which I get after this mm, program, definitely not to say success, but the confidence I get, the strategic thinking I get, that is more than valuable thing.
So Deep, my next question is: what you will do with your first salary?
So that is means most awaited question.
Okay.
I will I will buy a new smartphone with my first salary.
how your how your parents or how your family members are feeling with your success, from your success?
So they are very happy. Means I was searching for job from more than 4 months and got rejected in more than 7 interviews. So after getting this job, they are very happy for me. My father is distributing suits to his friend.
Okay. Amazing. I can understand that. So it's a congratulations for you as well as your family members, Deep. Amazing. Okay. So at the end, Deep, once again I would like to congratulate you on your success and all the best on your career ahead.